Dumela, welcome back to Setswana class. Ke palame baesekele. Today I am riding a bike. That's how you say it in Setswana. Ke palame baesekele or ke palama bicycle. It's a very hot day today. July 4th, America's independence, and a very, very, very hot day. So let's see, can I close the door? Take that. Oh, there we go. I'm going uphill. Okay, how palame baesekele go na le ha go Palamela. When you're riding a bicycle, there's gonna be like a stip. So ke Palamela. I'm going up the stip. All right, let's go. Luckily, I'm riding this very sophisticated bike. I'm going up this really steep place, but I don't feel it as much because the bike has all those gears. But still, you can feel something. Normally I'll be on the sidewalk, but now I'm on the road. It's dangerous. Okay. So far so good. The bike is doing most of the job. I don't feel it as much, but there's still something. I think I should go to the sidewalk. So technically it's not allowed to ride on the sidewalk, which I am doing, but it's safer. It's safer than being on the road and recording at the same time. So yeah, that's why I'm here. Okay, here we are. I'm almost home though. So I'm almost home. Now I can ride in the middle of the road because I know the streets. So, but with that's all with this lesson. Africa.